the saw. So with the saw, you're sitting up nice and tall and you want your legs as wide as you can get them. So obviously it depends on the flexibility of the inside of your legs, and your toes, your heels are flexed away from you. Now if you find that you can't sit with the straight back, get yourself onto a block or a cushion or something. It just elevates the bum a little bit and gives you some space in the back of the legs. So Paul, if you take your hands out to the side, so be careful when you're lifting the arms that they don't climb up towards the ceiling. So you still want them, so you still want them nice and relaxed. So when you take a breath in, you're going to lengthen and rotate to the left leg. So Paul, take a breath in, turn to the left leg. From here, you're going to take baby toe to baby finger, and the back hand goes back. So you're going to be looking at the back hand, and this one is facing there. And then come up, and then rotate to the front. Inhale as you go to the other side, and rotate. Good. And then come up again. So now we're going to add in a little bit of a pulse. So inhale to the left, baby toe to baby finger. Now from here, you want to imagine someone's pulling this hand back and someone's pulling that one. So it gives you a bit of a twist rather than a reach. It will help you to reach. So Paul, if you think of 3 rotations.
Just done it.
That's all right, you can do it on this side. He takes it so seriously. So 3 rotations. You're going to feel this in the side. Good. And up you come and you can relax. So you might find that you get nowhere near the toes. That doesn't matter. You can still reach across, but in the air. So you don't necessarily have to reach all the way down to the feet. You will find that one side might be stiffer than the other side. So if you're going to do 10, maybe do 4 on the stronger side and do the rest on the other side or something. So you want to do more on your tighter side. So that is the saw. It's a really good stretch in the back, and it works the rotation muscles, and of course the stretches everywhere. So thanks for watching. Bye.